Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on margin of safety, which is from the subject Management Accounting. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. The contents are margin of safety and target profit. Meaning of margin of safety. Margin of safety is a measure of amount by which the sales may decrease before a company suffers a loss. This can be expressed as a number of units or a percentage of sales. Margin of safety, it includes break-even analysis includes the concept of margin of safety. Margin of safety is the difference between actual sales and break-even sales. Margin of safety is calculated in rupees, units, or even in percentage form. Margin of safety indicates the value or volume of sales which directly contribute to profit as fixed costs have already been recovered at break-even point. Being sales beyond break-even point, it indicates the cushion or safety margin available to the firm in terms of sales revenue. Generally, business firms are subject to ups and downs due to competition, recession in the industry, depression in the economy, etc. Margin of safety is the cushion available to withstand the oscillations in business cycles. When sales start declining for any of the above reasons, the firm will not incur losses till its margin of safety is fully eroded. Thus, firms with a high margin of safety can survive ups and downs in business, whereas those firms operating with a very thin margin of safety can succumb or capitulate when severe competition or recession is faced. The objective of the management should always be to maximize the margin of safety, thereby providing stability and safety to the firm. The calculation for the formula for the margin of safety, it is the actual sales over and above the break-even sales. Thus, it is a difference between actual and break-even sales. Margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus break-even sales or profit divided by PV ratio. Profit is equal to margin of safety into PV ratio or actual sales into margin of safety ratio into PV ratio. What is a target profit? The formula for calculating the target for profit is number of units at target profit is equal to fixed cost plus target profit divided by contribution per unit. Required sales revenue, the formula for it is fixed cost plus target profit divided by contribution to sales ratio. Hope you would have understood the term margin of safety. We would meet in the next video. Thank you.